How to play multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick that will allow you to play two Roblox accounts on your computer at the same time. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. First, we need to install the actual Roblox app. And if you already have it installed, you can skip this step and I'll show you how to install the second version of Roblox on your computer later. So to install the Roblox app on your computer, go down to the Windows Start button, then type Store and open up the Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store opens, search Roblox and then select Roblox. You'll see Roblox right here. Go ahead and select Install or Get. Whatever this blue button is, it might be different for you. Once you do that, it'll start downloading and installing Roblox on your computer. Once it says play, go ahead and open up Roblox and then sign into your first account. Now that we're signed in the Roblox app, open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, find the game that you want to play and just select the play button to open up the game. It'll then say Roblox is now loading, and all we need to do is select download and install Roblox, then save the Roblox installer, open up the downloads folder on your computer and find the Roblox installer and then open that up. Once you do that, it'll start installing the second version of Roblox to your computer where you can sign in. So now I can go back to the browser, select the play button again. This time it'll open up Roblox, where as you can see, I am now playing two different accounts and I'm in the same game in Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.